Pythagoras property, class 7 by Adarsh Kumar, TGT Mathematics. Hello students, here we have Pythagoras property. So let us understand what is Pythagoras property. So in a right angled triangle, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares on the legs. This is Pythagoras property. Means in a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. Now let us understand this property by taking a right angled triangle BAC, right angled at A. Here BC is hypotenuse, AC and AB are its two sides or its legs. So applying Pythagoras property, we have square on the hypotenuse BC square is equal to sum of the squares on the legs. So AC square plus AB square. Here length of side BC is A, length of side AC is B, and length of side AB is C. So we also have A square is equal to B square plus C square, which is also Pythagoras property. So students, how to identify the hypotenuse in a right angle triangle? So you have to remember that the side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse is BC. So we have understand the Pythagoras property. Now let us apply the Pythagoras property to solve some problems. Let us take first question. In this question we have PQR is a triangle right angled at P. If PQ is 10 centimeter, PR is 24 centimeter, find QR. Means here we have to find hypotenuse QR. Here QR is opposite to right angle, so it is hypotenuse. So applying Pythagoras property in right angle triangle PQR, we have QR square is equal to PQ square plus PR square here from Pythagoras property. Substituting the values as PQ is 10 centimeter and PR is 24 centimeter, we have QR square is equal to 10 square plus 24 square. On calculating, we have QR square is equal to 100 plus 576, and which is equal to 676. Now QR can be written as QR multiplied by QR. Similarly, 676 can be written as 26 multiplied by 26. So from here we have QR equal to 26. Thus the required length of QR is 26 centimeter. So by applying Pythagoras property, we have find the side QR which is 26 centimeter. Students, let us solve one more problem on Pythagoras property. In this problem we have a ladder 15-meter long reached a window 12-meter high from the ground. On placing it against a wall at a distance a, find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall. So we have to find this distance. Here the ladder is making a right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, the side of length 15 meter is hypotenuse and other sides are 12 meter and a. So applying Pythagoras property, here we have square on the hypotenuse means 15 square is equal to sum of squares on the legs mean a square plus 12 square. We have written here by Pythagoras property. Now a square plus square of 12 is 144 and square of 15 is 225. So we have a square is equal to a square plus 144 is equal to 225. Now transposing 144 to right hand side, we have a square is equal to 225 minus 144 and a square is equal to 81. Now a square can be written as a multiplied by a and similarly 81 as 9 into 9 meter. So from here the value of a is 9 meter. Thus the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall is 9 meter. Students, let us solve one more interesting problem based upon Pythagoras property. In this problem we have a tree is broken at a height of 5 meter from the ground and its top touches the ground at a distance of 12 meter from the base of the tree. Find the original height of the tree. We have to find this height, mean we have to find AB. Student, here this part of tree is touching the ground at point D. This part is broken and touching the ground at point D. So here CD is same as BC. So applying Pythagoras property in right angle triangle CAD, we have CD square equal to 12 square plus 5 square. So on calculating we have 144 plus 25 is equal to CD square, and from here CD square is equal to 169. Now CD square can be written as CD multiplied by CD and 169 can be written as 13 multiplied by 13. So from here we have CD is equal to 13 meter. What? As this part of the tree is broken and touching the ground, so this is same as CD, means BC is same as CD. So we have CD equal to BC. Now height of tree is AC plus CB. So it is 5 meter plus 13 meter and finally equal to 18 meter. So original height of the tree comes out to be 18 meter. So students, we have solved 3 problems based upon Pythagoras property. Hope you have understand Pythagoras property and also how to apply Pythagoras property to solve problems related to Pythagoras property. Now let us summarize. So we have studied Pythagoras property, which says in a right angle triangle the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square on its legs, or square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. Students, if a triangle is not right angled, this property does not hold good. This property is useful to decide whether a given triangle is right angle triangle or not. So, in order to check whether a triangle is right angled or not, we can apply Pythagoras property. If it hold good, then the triangle is right angle triangle. If not, then the given triangle is not right angle triangle. That's all for today. Thanks.